At this hidden gem in the Netherlands, something remarkable happens. Inside this vast factory, a mega machine is crafted with atomic precision. We're talking about EUV lithography machines, the giants behind modern miracles. Each piece is a masterpiece, essential for creating every chip that powers your devices. These machines aren't just expensive, they're indispensable. Only one company, ASML, makes them, and the world can't get enough. Ever wondered why TSMC and Intel are racing to get their hands on these technological marvels? Since 1984, ASML has grown from a small venture into a global powerhouse. They turned early struggles into groundbreaking success with partners like Intel and Samsung. That collaboration ignited a new era in chipmaking. 5 nanometers, the wavelength of EUV light, critical for designing next-gen chips. ASML ensures every design leap means smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient tech. EUV machines produce around 3,000 wafers a day, the heartbeat of the tech world. This is precision at its peak, where art meets science. These machines aren't just built, they're the result of a worldwide coalition of brilliance. Demand is exploding, making this a defining moment for ASML and the industry. And yes, these machines literally involve exploding tin droplets. Curious? Smash that subscribe button now and join us as we uncover the mind-blowing future of tech you won't hear about anywhere else. Global dynamics are shifting, and ASML is right at the center, reshaping what matters. EUV is unlocking possibilities we couldn't even dream of a decade ago. Will ASML keep leading this high-stakes race? Their journey isn't just about technology, it's about turning bold ambition into reality. Next-generation EUV machines are already in development, pushing the limits even further. As long as the world craves innovation, ASML is here to deliver. The world needs them, perhaps more than we know. With every chip, ASML's legacy expands. And like the chips themselves, it's built to last.